How to fix ChatGPT your card has been declined error. So the first thing you want to make sure is that you have entered all your card information correctly. And the next thing you want to check is that you have sufficient funds on the card that you have selected. So if this is still not working, you can go ahead and clear your cookies and site data and start a new session. You can do that by clicking on these three dots at the top right corner. And go ahead and go to Settings. So scroll down and click on Site Settings. And then go to All Sites. And then go ahead and go to this OpenAI. And then click on Clear and Reset. And then go ahead and start a new session and then try to log in again. So if this still doesn't work, you can go to help.openai.com. And when you're on help.openai.com, you'll see this chat icon at the very bottom. So click on that. And then go ahead and click on Messages. So click on Ask our bot a question. And then select the billing option. So go ahead and click on Credit Card Declined. So you can see there are some options that it has given you. And if you still need help, go ahead and click on Yes, I still need help. And then OpenAI will get back to you and they will send you an email to how to fix this problem. So that is how to fix ChatGPT your card has been declined error.